Hi, and welcome to this brand new video. Today, we're going to take a much closer look at how the basic LLM chain node works. So in one of the previous videos, when we created this workflow, we realized that Agentic Workflow offers several types of agents. So if we go to the AI section, then to AI agent, we can see that we have the tool agent, which can use tools, MCP tools, the question answer agent, the RAG agent, which can use tools, vector stores, and conversation stores, the basic LLM chain, and the indexer. Unlike the other agents, this one is a bit special because it doesn't actually produce output results. It simply converts text into vectors and saves them in a vector database. Later, this vector database can be connected to a RAG agent to extract data from it. So, if we take a closer look at the basic LLM chain, we can see that it has two dependencies. The model is a required dependency. This is perfectly normal, since the agent needs to connect to an LLM model in order to do its job. Next, we have the output parser. We'll see in a future video what this is and how to use it. Our agent takes one parameter, the prompt. This allows us to define our request to the LLM precisely. Here, we've entered "Give me a summary of the following text." Naturally, the text is the text we'll extract from the page using the previous node. Since in the previous video we changed the keyword content to text, this key is no longer correct. So naturally, we need to fix that and change content to text, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so if I run this, we automatically get the response from our LLM. Next, we have the option to explore what's called a system message. This feature allows us to give instructions to our LLM and define to a certain extent how we'd like it to respond. So we can say, "You're an expert in IT with more than 20 years of experience. Respond in a funny way." And here we see that the response tries to be a little funnier. Next, if we go back to the editing canvas, as mentioned earlier, we have the model dependency. This dependency lets us specify exactly which model we want to use. We'll go over in a bit more detail in the next video how this works. And also, in an upcoming video, we'll see how the output parser works. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.